A lot of companies today are struggling with cybersecurity compliance because the entire process is fragmented. Security teams are bouncing between spreadsheets, screenshots, ticketing systems, shared drives, GRC platforms, policy documents, vulnerability scans, emails, and meeting notes, all while trying to prove operational maturity to an assessor. And the reality is, most of the industry still operates very manually. Now, at Jun Cyber, we spent years working directly inside CMMC readiness environments, compliance operations, and assessment preparation efforts across organizations of different sizes and levels of maturity. One of the advantages that we have is that we understand both operational readiness and assessment realities. That perspective changes how you build systems because when you've seen enough systems, you start recognizing where organizations consistently struggle. It's with evidence organization, operational consistency, continuous monitoring, ownership accountability, documentation alignment, and proving that security activities are actually happening consistently over time. We realized that the future of compliance operations can't continue relying entirely on disconnected manual effort. So internally, we've been building a different operating model. A model focused on reducing friction inside compliance operations while improving visibility, structure, accountability, and operational defensibility. Not replacing people, not creating AI-generated compliance, and not building flashy demoware. We're focused on practical operational capability, helping teams organize and understand their environments, improving evidence workflows, reducing repetitive administrative burden, and creating systems that better align operational reality with assessment expectations. A lot of people in this space talk about automation. Very few are actually focused on operationalizing compliance at scale in a way that security teams can realistically sustain. That's the problem we're interested in solving. And honestly, we believe the CMMC ecosystem and compliance operations in general are about to evolve significantly over the next few years. The organizations that adapt early are going to have a major operational advantage. So over the coming months, we're going to start sharing more about our thinking, more of our operational philosophy, and more of what we're building at Jun Cyber. If you're in the compliance, cybersecurity, defense contractor, or GRC space, follow along because the way most organizations handle compliance today is not sustainable long term.